Yo, what's up, guys? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. As you see, I'm already down on FGL, just about $8. No big deal. That's what happens when you trade in your sleep. Good morning, guys. Good morning. All right. So let's see. SHPU. Oh, frick is my music so soft? All right, TR. Oh, God. Volume's pretty good on this one. 25-cent stock right now. Previously it ran at 39.86. So where can it go? We have that little gap. I don't remember from how far. Okay, there it is from there. So I mean, it technically might want to hit this gap here at what, 45, maybe 47 from previous days. I mean, not that long ago. Maybe a couple weeks, maybe a little more. But it's got this big old barricade right here. It's having trouble getting through at 25 cents. What's up, guys? Let me say hello. All right, so let's call on our ITR. Let's see. Let's call it 28, maybe 29 on there. 29 and a half, maybe. So that'll be your first TP. There's your first TP after that one. Maybe 34. There's TP2. And obviously we'll say something right around here, right around 40, 47, maybe. Maybe it'll just go for that gap. What's up, Doug? AMIX hit my TP1. Yes, sir. Thank you for putting that up there. I appreciate you. What's up, Night Owl? What's up, Ted Master? God, Ted Master. What's up? Good morning. Ugh, I'm so tired. Fun times, huh? But we're moving and we're grooving. We're grooving and moving. I need my coffee. I'll be back 2 seconds. TikTok, don't be mad at me. I'm going for my coffee. Okay, I'm back. I'm sorry. Sorry, TikTok. TikTok gets pissed off at me sometimes. Starts throwing up like mean messages and stuff. So I gotta get back. I gotta be back. I'm back. Made a little on the AMIX. Nice, Doug. Good. And currently, I'm in that FGL that I put up there in the alerts. Didn't quite get where I wanted to yet, but we'll see. This one here, we'll just keep an eye on it. It's stuck at 25. We'll keep looking. Happy frickin' Wednesday, guys. Do you believe? Yeah. VJDX trying to break through 140. Trying. What is everybody up to? What are you guys watching? What ticker do you think is good for you today? What are you thinking, huh? I'm thinking GME AMC are gonna go to the moon. I'm just kidding. I'm not. No way. Oh, Jesus. Remember when we were all saying that? Remember when we were all sitting here going, oh, come on, we're apes. We're apes. We're crayon-eating apes. Come on. Well, maybe you guys weren't saying that. Maybe that was just a... Maybe it was me. Go ahead, hit the like, the follow, the share. Come on, guys. Let it go. I took 5 stocks for $5 from AMIX. I will watch it today. Yes, sir. Definitely watch it today for its second run. Oh yeah, we're still on a 30-minute chart here. Oh, that was hot. My 3 ice cubes have not melted yet, but damn, that was hot. I was up 11,000 on GameStop. They shut it off on Robinhood and wouldn't let me sell. I know, Mike. I know. That's why personally I hate Robinhood. I also was up pretty pennies on Robinhood on GameStop, and same difference. And then let's see, AMC worked out pretty good for me. Both of them I probably made around like $5,000 on both of them. It wasn't anything crazy, but I also was not a rich man. Neither am I right now. Wow, I cannot talk. My mouth does not want to word the words that are in my head. Is that funny? You lost 3K? Ah, damn, dude. That sucks. So I'm looking at seed right now. Volume's starting to pick up. It's over 18. It's at $1.16 right now. Where's it gonna go? Well, there is a gap at 140. So I'm gonna go ahead. You know, I'm gonna play a little dangerously here. It's not much. I'm just gonna play dangerously. Let's see. Look, check this out. All right, let's go with 50 shares on this little sucker right here. Boom, I'm in. Just like that. And let's see. And we'll just do one of those right there. Just like that. 140, the gap. Let's see. Let's see if it does it. Let's see how fast we can go. Let's go. Come on, seed. SEED. Move your little ass. Shake it. Shake the rump. Shake the... I'm fucking dying. I got the giggles. I woke up. Yeah, sorry I'm late, guys. Fucking 4:34 already. God dang it. I woke up, looked at my phone, fell back asleep with my phone in my hand before my alarm clock even went off, and then obviously my phone was under me whilst it was trying to wake me up, and well, I got some fat on me, so it didn't really want to wake me up. Come on, baby, push on up. There you go. There you go. A little more. Little more. Get over 125. There you go. 126. Little more. A little more. Let's do 132. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Now I put up a pretty good video there for you on my profile on TikTok here. And it's regarding penny stocks. It's regarding the shit that we play every day. It's a good video to watch. It'll remind you that these are pretty much every stock we play is just garbage. Okay, they're garbage stocks. Don't marry them. Don't think that they're all gonna go to the fucking moon. They're not. They hit a certain point, and then the CEO wants to dilute all over you. Yep, you're his wastebasket. That's what you are. Yeah. I'm looking, guys. I'm looking for other stuff. There's seed. I mean, it's having problems with 125. Just like, what was it? There was another one that was having trouble with 125. Oh yeah, or with 25. It was our ITR, and it pulled back. I said 23. Wow, DFNS is up again. DFNS is pushing that 59.36. Fun stuff. Come on, seed. Let's go. Flip it. FGL is below $1. That's the one I'm in. I'm down about $8 in it right now. There you go. Come on, DFNS. Boom. Look at that. Explosion. Let's see if it goes for that 69. 69.21 is your target. It just hit 63. DFNS. All right, guys, let's go. Why don't you put in here, put in the chat, put in the chat. What color crown's your favorite? Come on, we're all crown eating apes. Let's go. Oh man. So I had a oh wait, how's it? Did AMIX stay up? Keep forgetting. Oh no, went down. Sucks. It only hit 15. It hit 16. 1591. We'll see. We'll see if it wants to keep going. That doesn't look good. That looks like a little head and shoulder pattern there. There's a shoulder, there's the head, there's the other shoulder. Probably come back down to 1260. Cornflower. Hello. I love it. Justin White, what's up? Dave Bow. Rob. Mark. Fork King. Fork King. What's up, guys? Let's go hit the like, the follow, the share. Let's go. Let's keep on going here. The FNS 59, $60. RITR pushing that 25 again. Let's see if it has a breakout. Whatever lipstick my lady is wearing that night is my favorite color. Aw, aren't you a romantic? Yep, guys, it's on the screen. RITR. It's on this. That's on the screen. Let's see what it does. Is it gonna get that 29.63? Come on, you dirty dog. If you guys are not yet a part of Jrockstocks, go to jrockstocks.com. Check it out. There's some good information on there for you. I might be making a few little changes in there. Come on, RITR. Let's go. 2 more pennies. But yeah, there's some good stuff on there. You get access to the Discord. I do lives on the Discord. I send out alerts on the Discord. Yep, we have fun on the Discord. All right. Looks like FGL wanted to completely turn around. It literally just blew through its low. So I'm going to get out of FGL here. And that sucks. And there we go. We're out. Okay. All right. Lost 18. Well, did I lose 18? I lost $13 on it. Okay, no big deal. We'll make it back. We'll make it back. Seed is dropping. I see seed. Yeah, it's at 113. That's okay. That's all right. I have more faith in seed than I did in FGL, I guess, huh? Little son of a gun. You got me. You got me. We'll see if it turns around. I mean, that's typically what happens. Seed is 106 now. Man, seed needs to hold $1. Come on, hurry up, get 29. Yeah, we looked at DFNS. Yeah, 61 right now. There you go. There's 29. Take profit 1. Today, Junior. Take profit 1 basically just hit. Now this one's 29.63. So can I technically say, hey, I can, because I did say 29. I didn't really say 29.63. I said 29. But anyways, I should hit that no problem. Let's see. No problem. No problem. I'm also talking about seed. It's not a problem that it's dropping. It's no problem. It's no problem. That is my luck so far this morning. I don't see anything just absolutely ripping the tits off of people. Do not see it. The only thing I see rocking and rolling. Oh, there we go. Now I can actually fully say with confidence that RITR hit my target. Come on, could I get a hell yeah? I just saw it. Please come. Man, tough crowd. Come on, baby. Keep on pushing, Ritter. RITR. Look at this pattern, though, on this thing, okay? This is where I want people to pay attention. Oh, man. Come on, seed, hold the $1. Damn. That is just screwed up. literally went full on sell off after it did that little move. All right, looks like I'm gonna dump seed. Oh, that sucks. Here, let me put it on here. Makes it easier if I just do it on here. Yeah, look at that. So complete reversal off of this double top here. It literally went back to where it was yesterday and the days before that. That's garbage. All right, let's see. That's a little reversal. This is a little hammer candle. I'm in it. I'm losing $4. Needs to hold $1. It drops below $1. It's done again. Come on. Come on. Come on. For the love of Wolf of Wall Street, will you just fucking go up? And that's the bottom line, because 2 down said so, LOL. I have no idea what 2 down is saying. If you want to see Ritter hit another height, give me a hell yeah. 2 down. Hell yeah. All right. So let's see if this does what typical movement is on stocks like this. So we got our confirmation. That's your little confirmation right there. Little hammer. This is your confirmation candle. This one here can break through volume weighted average price. Then it's a good solid move up. If it can't break VWAP, it's going to trade back down to this little line right here, and it'll probably go even lower. So I'm going to stand by here. I'm going to take this down here. I'm not going to sell it yet. I'm going to leave this on here. This is like my my hopes and dreams. Actually, I need to put that lower, unfortunately, because this thing can dump even more, and it can go fast. I can take the loss. This is like a little stop loss, like I was trying to say there before my throat got all weird. But yeah, so you put it down there. I'm at 106. It's at 110 right now. If it wants to drop, I don't want it to drop too far down. Hey, 2 down, are you going to change your name on TikTok too? That was some funny shit yesterday, man. Come on, baby. Push it on up. Stop it. You stop it right now, you silly monster. Oh, gosh. She's going to trade between 1 and the VWAP. Fuck, I'm indecisive today. All right, we're just say screw it. Let's see what happens. I mean, it's not that bad. It's not that bad. It could be bad. It could be real bad. But it's not that bad right now. Cat shit, LOL. Man, you're hilarious, bro. Hilarious. So I'm just watching this real quick, just for a minute. And what a morning. Let's see here. Come on, man, go up. RITR's back down 28, so it's trying to hold. I mean, it's not doing bad. It's not doing a bad job. You got DFNS. I told you guys, it's still moving up. I'll put DFNS on the screen for you guys here so you're not bored. There you go. Let's zoom that in. Make it nice and big for you. Boom. There she goes. Come on, baby. Get that 69. You know you want to. 69.21 is what we're looking for here, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen. I have your attention, please. Here's your pilot speaking. We're about to hit 69 altitude. I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about. I don't. I'm tired. I'm losing it. I'm loopy as shit. Ah, fucking pushing buttons I shouldn't be pushing. Oh man. So people are asking like, hey, how's the watch list doing? What's going on? I've been getting a few messages here on the Tickety Talk. So I'm gonna show you. So this was August 3rd. This was like, holy shit, yes, this was great. Let's see. Got that. Let's go with that. It's so here is, I need to make that smaller. So here is where that was. That's what the watch list was. Right there. There you go. Watch list for August 3rd. Right there. UPC. Boom. All targets hit. And extended target hit. MNDR. Boom. It hit a high at 228. So it got TP1, SGLY. All targets hit. That was the high. 11 FMSC. Hit. The high was 53. All targets hit except for the extended. VIVK didn't quite do it. That was the watch list from August 3rd. All right. So now let's do another one. I'll show you how the watch list did from yesterday. Just real quick while we're watching this thing putz around here. Hey, seed's coming back up for me. It's at 113. Thank God I listened to my inner beauty. All right, so this was yesterday's watch list, and this is how it did. So not quite as amazing as the one before, but we did get 4 out of 5 again. Just like August 3rd, 4 out of 5. This one hit. Take profit 1, take profit 1, take profit 1, take profit 1. So that's why I always say TP1 is king, guys. more times I've hit take profit 1, and I've told people like, hey, that looks like the volume had pretty much fucking dipped out. These are the watch lists. Okay, so this is how I do it. This was yesterday's watch list. Today's watch list, we'll see how that goes. But there you go. All right, let's get back to it. Oh, I've been having trouble updating the track record on the website. I've just been so busy with my uncle's freaking pipes and the plumbers and the cats, and today I get to take the cat to the vet. So pray to God my life gets a little easier. And I mean, I don't want the cat to fucking go away. That's definitely not what I would like, but because it would make Uncle sad. You know, he's had that cat for fucking 20, probably 20 years. Showed up on his doorstep with freaking little babies. So little kittens in its belly, and had the little kittens right there on his doorstep. So he feels obligated. So he kept the kitty. And it was a stray. It was just a stray. So got 6 kittens because of it. 6 cats. Come on, DFNS. Don't give me that shit. Alright, let's keep on looking. Keep on scanning this shit. Alright, come on, Seed. You can do it. Get your little booty back up there. Oh, what do we got here? What do we got here? What do we got here? Come on now. YXT moving up. YXT starting to gain a little bit of volume. So let's keep an eye on YXT. You know what? Let's give YXT some targets. Let's give YXT some targets because that volume's picking up. Look at the average volume compared to the volume it's getting right now. So volume's picking up. It's a low float. Let's see where it can go. Real quick, real quick. We got to move on these. We got to move on these because if it is something, look at that, 425. Okay, 425. There's gaps up here. 536. There's a gap. Put that up there. Gap, gap. All right, keep watching that volume. Look, already we've quadrupled that volume once that hits 100. Yep. So something's going on. Was there news that just dropped? No, I don't see nothing. I don't see jack diddly squat. Jack diddly squat. Hits that, could get that. Let's see, 425. There's a target right there. We'll call that TP1. TP2, 477. That's actually 478, but I want 477. Okay, I can't get 477, so 478, that's TP2. All right, let's see. If it can get back up, we're going to go about 380. It has to break 380. Breaks 380, then we got our targets for the most part. Nothing's guaranteed. There's no guarantees in the stock market. The only thing you guarantee is you're going to exchange money from hand to hand. All right, so we're back to the 1 minute. Volume's already at 185,000. It dipped, it ripped, it moved, it did that. I'm just going to put a quick little 20 bucks on it. Well, 20 shares. I'm going to do 20 shares. It's just going to buy me in. I don't care. All right, so I'm fucking around today. Let's see if I find out. Because that's what I'm doing. I'm just fucking around, by the way. You know, this is real money. That's why I tell people, don't do what I do. I mess around a lot. But I see that volume pumping up. There's got to be a reason for it to be pumping. And that was a good little run to 468. And pull back pretty hard right away. No big deal. Let's see if it bounces back up for me. Make a couple bucks real quick. Let's see. Whoops, wrong one. See, that's why I leave that up there too, because I would have just bought 10 more shares. All right, so we'll put that there. Come on, 380. Let's go. Get above it. Get above it. Oh. We're breaking rules today, where I am. Hey, Mitchell, thank you for the hearts meet. Where you been, man? Where you been, brother? All right, look at that. So far, so good. Come on, broke VWAP. That's good. Now it just needs to break that 380. Break that 380. I think we'll have 425. Break that 425. I think we'll have this little 478, and then possibly that gap at 535. So those are your targets for YXT. Like I said, has to break that 380. That 380 is being a punk right now. Come on, big push. Look at that volume. Look at that volume, guys. It's pumping in there. Average volume is 27,000. It's at 716,000 already. Something's going on. There you go. Boom. Just took 10 shares off. I still have 10. Let's put the other 10 up here. Boom. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Come on, come on. Push, push, push. All right, let's go. Let's get that gappy. Let's get that gap. Oops, I just moved the gap. Shit. I don't know what I was trying to do. I think I was trying to grab this and I clicked over here. I'm a little tired. Just going to say. Come on, keep on pushing, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, come on. That's cat shit. Oh, boy. Yep. And when I tell you guys, that's what I keep an eye on. I keep an eye on the volume and the average volume. If the average volume is, I mean, look at this. This is literal cash it. 27,000 shares traded. That's it. Okay, so the volume's already creeping up. It's like at 17,000 and it's moving fast. Now it's 20. Now it's, you know, I see that. That means the eyeballs got onto this for some reason. There's a reason that they did that. And then all of a sudden it blows up. Well, you map it out. You put your levels out there. You look at the stock. Okay, so just happened. Something happened. Volume pumped up. Stock, because the low liquidity on this thing, because it is pre-market, very, very low. There wasn't a whole bunch of shares flying yet. It pushed it up to 470 and then dumped. So some profit was taken there. A little bit of stabilization here. A little bit of, you know, consolidation. And then boom, there goes that nice big body green candle. Another little bit of a sell-off here. Let's see if this thing wants to continue to move to 530, 531. That's the goal. The goal is just to kind of catch these kind of, you know, quick little pennies that go here and there. And now, see, I could be smart. It's trying to base itself above the volume weighted average price. You see this one just below, this one here now is holding above a little bit here, so that's good. Oh man, seed just dumped to frickin' under $1. What a jerk. All right, I got to go back to seed real quick. And I'm going to go ahead and dump that and take my $10 loss on that. Dumped. Peace out, seed. Out of here. Get out of here with your loser butt. All right. Let's go. Let's go. YXT 431. Let's go, YXT. You got to make me back my money. That'd be great. I mean, we're doing good. We're only down $9 right now total for the day. So not bad. We're watching YXT. 2.62 million. Tell me there's something going on, right? Tell me there's something going on. Just need this thing to hold volume weighted average price and we're A-okay. YXT, guys, you heard it here first. No one else alerted that shit. No one else did it. If you guys made some money on YXT, throw some fireballs in the chat. I mean, that was a quick little turnaround. YXT, baby. Yeah, boo seed, boo seed. I should know not to play seed. I've had good luck and bad luck, but mostly bad luck on seed. But again, I was fucking around and finding out. So this one here is working out so far. Needs to hold VWAP. VWAP's right there, right under it. It's at 401. Oh man. All right. Well, we'll see. We'll drop this down. We'll drop this down so we don't lose any money there. Let's see if it holds VWAP. Come on, baby. Tell me you're just doing a little pokey poke at the bear there. That'd be great. LIDR news with NVIDIA. Okay. Let's see. We'll see. So this is kind of like a mental stop for me right here. I got my finger on the trigger. I'm ready to push that button. If it wants to dip below at 380, I'm ready. Hopefully that MACD comes back right here. I want to see a big green candle. Come on, show me a three line strike. Come on. Show me a 3-line strike right now. Give me a big body candle, a BBC. BBC. All right, now all the momentum scanners just picked this up. That was pretty good. That was pretty good. I like it when I do that. Oh, okay, I'm out. I'm going to take my profit. Screw it. All right, so all in all for the day, I'm down $13 right now. Sucks. It's going to happen. It's going to happen. Made money on YXT. I don't know how much I made, but I made money on YXT. Let's see. What did I make on YXT? What happened to RITR? RITR is still at 28. We'll wait. We'll see if this thing wants to turn around. All right, so let's see. What did I make on this little YXT project? I made 15 bucks on YXT. Could have made more if I would have sold all of it when it ran up to that first target. I believe I sold it at the second target though. Yeah. Let's see. Where did I sell it? Yeah, I sold 425. I got in at 330. I got in at 330 on YXT. Well, here, I guess I can share that. I can show you that. Let's close that real quick. This is fun. This is why I love my computer. All right. iPhone not found. Oh yeah, I turned off my shit. That's right. Here, let me I gotta turn that back on. Bluetooth, that's right. My Bluetooth is off. I was doing some shit yesterday. Turn off my Bluetooth. Switch. Try again. Hey. All right. Let's. Where'd you go? Oh, here comes. Here comes the 3-line strike. The level 2 starting to add up. Level 2 starting to add up. That was a little fake and bake right there. Where's my phone? Where'd it go? There it is. All right. Come on. There we go. And let's do that real quick. There's Weeble. There you go. So here's today on YXT. So I bought 20 shares at 330. I sold 10 shares at 425. And I sold 10 shares at 388. I'd say that's a pretty damn good move. Wouldn't you? Fuck yeah. Damn Skippy. All right. So no 3-line strike. Didn't quite make it. Needs to hold VWAP above that 380. All right, Mr. Lonely made 50 bucks. That's awesome. That's great, man. That's great. That is awesome. You know what? We're just gonna extend today on TikTok. I'm too damn tired. I don't feel like fucking around. So we're just gonna stay here on TikTok until I get off TikTok and YouTube. Night Owl, money. Let's go. I don't feel like fucking around. I'm just tired. My eyes are even watering. That's how tired I am. Don't get old, guys. Fucking A, don't get old. And I'm only saying that I'm old because I don't know, because I feel like I'm closer to 85. All right, so what you're looking for here on YXT is you're looking for this bounce here at that 380. Remember, when I said it breaks 380 and it's gonna go. It broke 380 and it went. So now it's made a base above 380. There you go. Made a base above 380. This white line is 380. We're gonna make this green just so you guys can see that's our support. All right. We're gonna make it green. Let's make it a little thicker. That's what my wife says. I'm just kidding. Totally kidding. That's horrible. Guys, hit the like, the follow, and the share. Let's go. We're trying to grow here. We're shit. That's what I tell my wife all the time. Oh my god, these jokes are horrible. All right, but we caught YXT. We caught YXT when it was at 17,000 volume. It's at 4.73 million. Guys, seriously, we caught that shit. Oh, we spanked it. We did. We spanked it. And I showed you guys. My my profit on there, my exit, my entry. Yep. Wow, I went backwards. My entry, my exit. I just went dyslexic again. All right, TR hit 32 cents. That's awesome. Let's go. Here's our ITR. Hit that second target. Look at that. 34.87. Hit TP2, RITR. Does RITR have enough energy to get up to 47? Let's see if it wants to hit that 47. All right, guys. Let's go ahead and in the chat, why don't you guys put what temperature it is wherever you're from. Put where you're from and how hot it is outside right now or cold. I'm at 98 degrees. I'm at 98 degrees outside right now. It says the high is going to be 115 again. You gotta love living in the desert. Woo, it's hot. Yep, the desert where you don't need a pool heater. All right, there she goes. She hit take profit 2 again. YXTC. I could have waited. There's 504. Let's go 531. I need to get another target because that 531's inbound. That 531's inbound. As you can see, we played it before plenty of times. Wow, did I skip it? Did I skip? I'm fucking around too much. Let's see. Oh, I was way too high. I like me go. All right, let's try it again. Let's try it again. I'm getting ahead of myself here. 521, guys. 10 cents away from that target. There we go. All right, next target after that, 575. Wow, holy shit, just ripped right through it. 592.93. Did news pump out yet? No, nothing yet. We're gonna go 655 next. After that, there's your horizon right here, guys. Fucking, can I get some fucking fireballs in the chat? Some fireballs in the chat. Some shares, some likes, some love, all that fun stuff. Dubai 104, Florida 76, and out of 24 people, only 2 responded to that on TikTok. Hey, thank you, Safwat Salaiman. I think I said that right. It's cool. 78 with 100% humidity. Oh my god. Oh, that is hot. All right, so we're watching for YXT to hit that 655 now. It's done fucking around, guys. It is done. There's 609. Shit, and it keeps going. It keeps going. It almost got 655, hit 609. Man, see, and if I would have been a little more patient, if I would have just had a little bit more patience under my belt, that would have been great. Look at that. Oh, hell yeah. That is awesome, man. That is awesome. Hey, take some of that money. Come join Jrockstocks. Come join the community. Beautiful. Beautiful. See, and I would have actually jumped over to the Discord, and that would have been it. That would have been it. That's frickin' right here. Beautiful. Beautiful. Rename. Let's go. Beautiful. I'm glad you guys are having a good time. Glad you're making money. That is frickin' rad. Thank you guys. Thank you. Come on, we gotta get that. We gotta get that 655. Looks like it's taking a break right now. You see this little candle right here? Yeah, that little candle's telling you it's probably gonna try to come back to, what is this? 531 again. Remember, if they move fast like that, they can also move fast the other direction. Let's see what she wants to do. Looks like on the level 2, she wants to keep going. On the level 2. But guys, take profit. Always take profit. Get some of that money off that table. You don't want them taking it all back when this thing dumps. Because remember, I don't see any news. There's got to be some news though. Something had to have happened. So I'm gonna go to news filter real quick. Let's see, YXT. Do they have any news that came out? They have 5 days ago, regains compliance with NASDAQ minimum bid price requirement. They have a 13G 9 months ago. Nothing else after that. Man, oh man. Thank you, Risky, for sharing. Appreciate that. Let's go. And Dubai's got to be beautiful right now. 104. I mean, that to me, 104 is great. That's like nothing. All right, let's see. Is he gonna do it? Is this a little pullback, or is this done ski right here? It's gonna come back to here. If it does that, then you can consider this like a quadruple top, a double top. I think that one's a little lower than that one. So yeah, you can consider that a double top. Maybe come back down to 531. See if it bounces. Cheers. Like my cup says, be a nice human. All right, guys. There's the bounce. And there's the target. Come on, 3 more pennies. Boom. All right, next, 740. So we'll go 737 on this one next. Sheesh. Man, oh man. There's 740. God, I couldn't even get it out. It hit it so fast. 872 next. 872 next. I couldn't even get it out. It just wanted to go right off the bat. Oh man, take some profits, guys. Take some profits. 72. 872. Remember, as fast as it goes up, it can reverse that fast. So just make sure you're taking profits into that strength. Wow, it's beautiful. On no news. Ooh, got to be quicker than that. Yeah, we do. There's 813. Come on, baby. Push that shit. Oh, man, oh, man, oh, man. Let's go. Thank you, Gonzo. Thank you for the roses. Mr. Lonely, thank you for the hearts me. Safwat, thank you for the roses. Appreciate you. Mitchell, where'd you go? Where's Mitchell? Let's go. 813. We want 872. Let's see if she wants to do that. That was quick. RITR back down to 28 cents. Seed ever come back? Probably not. Do 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 do. Man, oh man, oh man. Yep. And see, I'm happy with my 15 bucks on YXT. That's fine. No big deal. I lost 10 on seed and I lost 18 on FGL. Yep. Hey, that's trading without being awake. I wasn't awake yet. I thought, shoot, let's go. The one I got dropped. The one that you dropped YXT. Is that what you did, Mitchell? Oh. Tanmaster said 68 degrees. Woohoo. All right, let's find another beast. Yep. She's taking a break. She's taking a little break. She got 813. I mean, can you be mad? It's up $4 from where we basically called it. Well, a little more than $4 from where we called it. We called it out right around here. I got in just under that 380. I bought in a seed. Oh no. Yep. Yeah, seed was not a good one for us. We got HYFM moving again. Slowly building volume. Uh-oh. Here we go. 847. There you go. 907. Guys, this thing is just continuously stair-stepping up. So we got 915. I don't know. I got to go back. I got to go back to the 30-minute chart here again and see if there's any more gaps way above there. But geez Louise, that is just it's already up 207. Oh my god, the highest it's ever been is $11. And it just hit $11. Holy fuck. Wow. All right. So it just hit 11 bucks, the highest it's ever been. So what can happen now? Well, we don't have anything to chart off of, right? So now the only thing we could think about is, well, it hit 11. It hit it pretty damn quick. It's got to pull back. It is right now. Next, we're going to go for, on this one, we're probably going to go for about, oh, God. Testically speaking, 1347. All right, that's a good ways away. We'll put a red dot there. Sheesh. Yep, and see, I could sit here and be like, oh man, I missed that run. I caught the very beginning of it, and I got out because I was, you know, just trying to be smart. But guys, there's going to be these are going to be all over the place. There's going to be more and more and more of these, and they're just going to keep popping up. Only thing I keep thinking is with the PDT rule gone, they're going to fade back a lot faster too. All right, people that shorted this, that said, hey, I'm going to short the shit out of this, are getting screwed right now. People that were in here going, hey, I'm going to hold this for a while, I'm going to short it, I've got a contract for fucking, I don't know, for September. They're screwed. They're literally, they're getting margin called. Borrow rate's 47%, so that's not bad. Still, it's a little something, you know? But that's pretty good. That was a good fucking stock to call out. Jesus Christ. Anybody give me an idea where I called that out? I mean, I've got it. I'm gonna go look back at my recording. I mean, that is just target after target after target. Let's see if it picks up momentum here. There's 10 again. Big fake walls. Oh, maybe not fake walls. They're selling into them. Let's see what she does right here. What I'm curious about is how much of that was like the algorithm helping it out. You know? Curious. I've turned over a new leaf, guys. My new leaf is, you know, I used to say fuck the shorts and fuck the bears and fuck this and fuck that. Well, now my whole thing is let's understand this a little bit better. All right, it's not just shorts. It's not just the hedge funds, because hedge funds with dark pools, they have the ability to sell in the dark pool. So they can sell it and it doesn't even hit the public. It doesn't hit this price action here. They can buy it on the dark pool. It doesn't do this. The only thing I do think is market manipulation is when they put out the news, Roth Capital says YXT is going to hit fucking $14. Yeah. They didn't. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. 3 months ago, Octan's Capital announces Edison's initiation of research coverage on YXT. That really doesn't mean anything to me. There's no news that I see on YXT for why it should have done what it did. Let me check my website, actually. Let's see. And if you guys made over $49 on that, you should sign up for Jrockstocks. It's super simple. Super simple. Go to jrockstocks.com, sign up, be a part of the Discord. Let's see. All right, here's another push. If it gets stopped, then it's double topping you and it's going to reverse. So caution, throw a lot of caution up there. Yeah, 5 days ago about regaining compliance. Mr. Lonely. That's the only news I see. So I'm going to go to my website. I'm going to type into trap detector. I'm going to see what it says. YXT. Yep, of course it passes the trap detector. Of course. All right. underwritten offering language. That was that was 2 months ago. F3A. Form 6K filed July 31st. Okay. Friday, July 31st. Regains compliance. That's all we have there. July 10th, ADS ratio change to be effective. Now, okay, well, yeah, none of the news that's out there is anything like, oh my god, it's not earth-shattering to where this thing should rip as much as it did. But it did. It's squeezed. It's squeezed. Been there for 7 months. Been great. Oh, where? Here? Jrockstocks? See, double topped, pulling back. Let's see if it. I had 200 shares on 390, and I sold around 420. Hey man, great job, Mr. Lonely. You made some good profit there. That's some great profit right there, man. Beautiful. Beautiful. I love it, man. We called this thing out below 380. It freaking rallied to 1179. That's what I'm talking about. Two down. You're funny, man. No, TikTok. Yes, food. So is it a no or is it a yes? Which one is it? You gotta make up your mind there. It's awesome, man. It's awesome. I treat two down as my little brother there. DBGI. Now, okay, here's one that's probably going to be something crazy today. DBGI, 557 float. Average volume 143,000. Currently 177,000. DBGI. All right, let's take a look at this thing. Wow, look at that. Holy shnikes. Holy shnikes. Look at that. Doesn't tell me much because, well, there's nothing there. Just blew out after it did a reverse split right here. That's a reverse split. If you're ever curious why shit just does that, that's a reverse split. It traded 47 cents, and then just today it shot up to 52 bucks, and then back down to 28. So let's see where it can go if it's been here before. I like using the 30-minute chart for this, by the way. Now, if it takes too long, like right now, it's taking kind of too long. It's a little too much. I'll take this to a 1 hour chart and do the same thing on a 1 hour chart. Okay, there we go. 1813. All right, it's at 28. I'm gonna mark this with just a red line. Not a red line, a green line. Support, right? Green line support. There you go, 23. That's another green line right there. So I do this for my sanity on my own. I usually don't do this during the lives. I'll mark them green, I'll mark them red. It's 2370 again. So you're looking for these peaks on these things when you're going back. And that is it. That's as far as it goes. $9. That's where it was. Now it's at $30. Volume's still picking up. So basically, you got nothing to go off of because it's as high as it's ever been. All right. So what you do is you watch. You watch and you see where it's hit before, where it's had problems. Let's see a 5-minute chart. That'll sum it up for us. So there's a good possibility. There's a good possibility this thing can get back to 32 bucks. So we'll put a line at 32 bucks. 32.81. I don't like that 81. Let's go 32.71. There you go. That sounds better. All right. You've got volume weighted average price on a 5-minute chart at 30.97. Sorry. Where is it? 30.92. So 30.92. Okay. We'll go ahead and we'll put a line there. That's your first target. 30.92. Yes, I know it's not that high up. I got it. But we'll see what it is. Tanmaster made 221 on YXT and thinking I should be done. Take the day off. Shoot, girl. If anything, go have fun in the Discord. That's it. Just take the day off. Take your money and run. Take your money and run, hun. All right. So, why? Let's go 36. 36 bucks, so 35.96. There you go. We'll put those out there. Now, what I'm thinking about this one is once market opens, it could be crazy. It could be crazy. Lots of halts. Because 557,000 on the float. Average volume 143,000. Current volume 225,000. So that's what you're looking for right there. And DBGI, let's see. News, DBGI. Is that on my screen? Swear to goodness. DBGI Brands confirms it received proposed 77.58 per share acquisition offer from current shareholder board to review proposal. No decision taken yet. Okay, so is that saying it's going to get to 77.58? No, it's bait. It is baiting you. It is baiting you. It's making you think it's going to get that high. And, you know, it's a 64% borrow fee. So shorts are definitely cooked on this. Shorts are, that is one thing I can say. Shorts got cooked. Now, I don't know when it's going. I wish we met when I was in Vegas so I could smack you. Ha ha ha. You know, 2 down. I do have a block button, and I do have a remove from group button. Take that. Yeah, that's what I'm calling it. All right. Anyways, Daddy-O. Thanks, Daddy-O. Thanks for sharing the live. Daddy-O, did you catch that one? Did you catch YXT by any chance? Come on, guys. Let's go. Hit the live. Hit the live. Hit the like. Hit the follow. Hit the share. Let's go. And GTE is pushing up resistance right now. It's at 1020, 1023. Resistance is going to be that 1030. It pushes through 1030. You might get on GTE. Pushes through that 1030. You might get that 1057. Maybe 1069. All right, here we go. Take profit 2. DBGI. Let's go. There it is. Hit take profit 2. There you go. I hope you guys are watching. Hope you're learning. Right? Let's go. Let's go. Take profit 3. 35.96. Let's go. Keep pushing. Oh man, let's go. Come on. 35.96. Let's go. Look at it bounce around. And there's a 1,000 share wall on DBGI sitting at 40 bucks. We got TP1, pretty easy. TP2, nailed that on this big body candle right here. And we are pushing for 35.96, 35.97 right in there somewhere. 6.7. I'm just kidding. Good morning, Debbie. What is up? Yes, sir. Brian Drake, GTE. That's what I said, sir. We're looking for a break on GTE of that 1030. And like I said, we're looking for 1069 as a take profit 1. Come on, push on up there, DBGI. There you go. There it is. Come on, there it is. There's TP2, TP3, done. Target acquired. That is, the target has been acquired. Boom, shakalaka. If you guys like that, throw some fireballs in the chat. You guys would have caught that one nice and early as well. After that dump, then below volume weighted average price, we hit TP1, we hit TP2, and now we just hit TP3. Now it's going for TP4 at 40 bucks. So 39.80 is where we're going to put that line. Fireballs. Let's go, Doug Funny. Yeah, buddy. All right, we're gonna put a yellow line there. 39.80. Let's see. We're gonna get 39.80. That's a $2, almost $3 from where it's at currently. Nice big old cup. Remember, there's nothing. We are in blue sky territory other than this 5120. It's a low float, 557,000 float. It's already done 361,000 in volume. Its average is 143. That's what you look at. That's what you look for. Thanks, Doug. Or Captain. Thanks, Captain. I'm trying, man. I'm trying. So this is what we look for on these types of stocks, especially in pre-market. You're looking for low float. You're looking for low average volume, and the volume, the current volume, to be spiking. That's what you're looking for. We've all played DBGI before. I mean, it's one of those that just kind of keeps giving and then taking, because it's one of them that gets screwed around with a lot. All right, let's go. 39.80. Come on, push right here. Push right here. Oh, is it going to come back down to volume weighted average price? What is it doing? Maybe not. 34. Come on, push through it. There you go. There you go. Should be pushing up. Should be pushing up. Just got to get through that right there. That 37.80. Come on, push through 37.80. Let's go. Big jump. Big jump. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. Come on. There you go. Did you get it? There. So close, man. So close. There we go. I think we got it. We got it. We got 40 bucks. Look at that. So just in that little bit of time, called it out here. And that's 32 bucks right around there. And we got 4 targets. Boom, shakalaka. Fun times, guys. Fun times. Night Owl Fireballs. Let's go. Ah, what a morning. All right. So this top wick here scares me a little bit. You know, it's like these big top wicks. Like, look at this one. All right. So right there and right there, you know, that's a solid area of resistance. Solid area of resistance. We got nothing else to go off of except that it hit 51.20. We are on the 1 minute. So only thing I can say to do here, maybe take it down to 30 second. Let's see what 30 seconds where it had bumped its head. $47 it bumped its head. We can say the body of this 43.27. Let's go off of that. 43.27 right there. I'm not done with you yet. I'm not done with you yet here. All right, where'd it go? That's right, I forgot. On a 30-second chart. So 43.27. Let's put that on the chart on the 1 minute. 43.27. There you go. All right, wait for a pullback. It's probably going to pull back to volume weighted average price. If it can, I mean, I'm seeing a big old cup. See, I'm gonna put just for shits and giggles, because you know I like doing that. Let's see, 30 bucks. I don't want to blow through my stuff here. 5. Still expensive. Jeez. And just for fucks and giggles. I'm gonna do 2 shares. No, I mean, that's nothing. I mean, if it runs to 50 bucks, then sure, that's a pretty good move for two shares. 68, the way it's moving. If it gets down to VWAP, that's 33 to 43. It's 20 bucks. So even gonna do it? Oh boy. See, this is one of them times. It's like, do you fuck around and find out? Good morning, Mellywood. Do you fuck around, find out, or do you just you know, leave it to the Wolf of Wall Street, right? Yeah. See, it's not a bad sign. I mean, still think it's going to pull back to volume weighted average price. But again, this thing just ran from 28 to 39. It's $11. Just boom, like that. It's up $14 from yesterday. All right, let's see. How is everything else doing? So Ritter hit our target as well at 34.87. We caught, get this, just on this live, we caught YXT nice and early, and we caught DBGI after this run, obviously, but we still caught it early, and we caught this run right here. Damn. I don't know about you guys, but if I had a bottle of whiskey with me, I would probably take a shot. Oh man. So because I didn't pull the trigger, I missed out on that. And here goes this target, 43.27. Let's see. See, I said there was a pullback. It's pulled back. Now let's see, 43.27. It breaks 43.27. Very good possibility it's going to get you a new high at over this $51. There we go. Let's see. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's see. Where is she going to go? She going to do it? Hit 42. We're a little off. We were off by about $1.27 there on this target. What's up, Jonathan? Good morning. Hopefully you caught some of that YXT and some DBGI. I know they're expensive, but a couple shares made you a good amount of money there. Like you guys saw, I was just debating out loud in my own head. If I bought 2 shares down here, would it be worth my while to see this thing go? I would have made $20 off of 2 shares. You know, yeah. When it hits that 50. Oh, technically no. When it hits 43. Looks like it's trying. It's trying. That little cup and handle is working out. It technically already did because it broke the cup. That's the cup. That's the rim right there. Came down, pulled back, right there, and then boom, there's the handle. For those of you that are like my wife, who cannot picture things, now, I mean, I don't really have to draw it because it's on the screen. And here comes the target. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Fireballs in the chat. Let's get that 43.27. Let's get that 43.27. Let's go. That's scary in your head. It is, man. It is very scary. Here it comes. Here comes 32.27. There it is. Boom. 33.27 live. Jesus Christ. All right. So now there's good chance. There is a good chance. Now I'm telling you, this thing's going to be a halter when market opens. Now, whether it halts up or halts down, no idea. It's probably going to halt down at some point close to market open because it is extended like nobody's business right now. All right, so we have hit, God, geez, we've hit all my targets. All my targets. Now the only one I have left, and that's going to be about, man, it's going to be $8 away. All right, it's going to be $8 away. Screw it. I'm going to say $10 away. I'm going to say 53.47. That's where we're putting this. And I'm going to make it red. I'm going to make it red. I'm going to make it thick. I'm talking about stocks. I'm not talking about anything else. I'm talking about stocks. I'm going to make it red and thick. So we don't know that there's a rug coming right now. We do know there's probably going to be a rug coming because this isn't a stock that's worth $51. Not yet. The news is there, But the news is just getting retail excited. That's what it's doing. I'm sure of it, that there is an offering on the table. Or, let's see, let me pull it up here on Trap Detector. What's their most recent filings? DBGI. Oh, wow. Okay. It's a high risk. The trap is high risk. Man, this thing is... So if it double tops, if it hits here again and pulls back, that is a double top. It will probably reverse back to volume weighted average price. All right, you got to watch that volume. We're only at 791,000 so far. So we've rolled the float once. Average volume is 143,000. And this thing's... That's funny. That is funny. All right. Wow. Wow, this thing's only ranked 84 out of 100? No way. All right, it filed an 8K on the 27th. Market news, recent news sentiment includes negative bearish context. Oh yeah, you sure about that one? That was today, August 5th. Yeah, I don't know about that one. Yep, there's your double top. All right, let's see how far she comes back. Let's see how far she comes back. Good job, guys. Good job. Look at that. Keep hitting that like. Keep smashing that follow, and share and all that shit. I don't even know what I'm saying right now. My nose is clogged. I'm almost done with this whole cup of coffee. Good God, and I'm still not awake. Let's see what Day Trade Analyzer says about this sucker. There are some bugs in this Day Trade Analyzer. I gotta still fix them. There is volume weighted average price. There's that pullback. Let's see, is she gonna come down even farther? She coming down even farther. Maybe right about here, 34.22. I'm on volume weighted average price. Look at the algorithms trying to hold that thing up there. Let's see, 34. Is she going to come up or come down to 34.28, 22, something like that? Is she going to do it, or is she going to reverse and just go back up? Because if you put a 5-minute candle, I mean, that's still looking pretty damn good. MACD's turn around just a little bit here. Gonna come back down to this one right here. Come on. Is it gonna go 34? She's fighting. She's trying. She's really trying. Come on, baby. I mean, think about that news, guys. It receives a proposed 77.58 per share acquisition offer. I mean, what does that tell you? That means the stock's probably going to go up to about 77 bucks. That's what it tells you. But is it true? Is it true? Is it real news? Is it really... I mean, is it confirmed? Is it like, what is it? You know? So let's see. Let me type in DBGI here on the intraday trade scanner. 36, we'll just say 36 bucks. Let's see what it says. Oh, all right. Give it a good rating. 91 out of 100. All right. It says target 65 bucks on this thing. So we'll put 65.38. That's what it says. 65.38. So we'll go 65.26. We'll go ahead and put it. You know what? We'll put a line there, and we'll make this one. I want to make it purple. And I wish I had more colors. We'll make it yellow again. We'll make it a thick yellow. That'll remind me that that's what it said. And you know what? You know what? I think I'm going to play it. I think I'm going to play it. I think I'm going to put $2 on it. I'm going to set this here. Oh, god dang. That's way low. I'm going to put this right around. That's a nice reversal of the downtrend. Man, I am so confused right now. Do I really want to do that? Do I really want to do it? Do I want to chase? Am I chasing? I'm chasing. Why do I want to chase it? Why do I want to chase it? Am I FOMOing? What am I doing? If it drops, then I lose a little bit of money. Big top wick. Is it going to come back to VWAP? Or is it going to keep ripping? How's that MACD looking? MACD looks like it wants to flip. 39.80. Obviously, that's a resistance. Go up to here. I'm only buying 2 shares. Nothing crazy. I'm going to pull back. I'll take my chances. Fuck it. I'll take my chances. Whatever. I'm in at 38.65. Oh man, let's play around. That saying is very true to me. Fuck around, find out. Let's see what two shares does to me today. You guys saw it here, right? You guys saw it here. Debbie says, "Go for it." I love it when Debbie's on board with me like that. I love it. That's great. All right, so we're in it. It's still pulled back to volume weighted average price. Let's see what happens here. I don't know if you guys see it. I see it. Now I see it after I push that button. But here you got 1, 2, working on 3. That is a head and shoulders pattern. So that is not a good sign. Saw it here first. LOL. All right. So typically head and shoulders pattern means it's coming back down. It's working on the next shoulder. All right. It's okay. I have 2 shares. I lose money. I'm fucking around. That's why I keep telling everybody. 2 down. Quick. Everyone, let's pray for J-Rock. Okay. I tell people, do not copy trade me. Do not do what I do. Sometimes I fuck around, and that's the reason I fuck around is because I want you guys to understand I fuck around. I don't want you following my trades. I want you to look at my targets. Sure. That's fine. But don't copy trade. Do not copy my trades. It's not going to work out for you. Yeah. So this head and shoulder pattern works out. You'll probably come back down to the 30s. Probably come back down to the 30s if this head and shoulder works out. YXT 960. Yeah. Yep. This volume weighted average price has to hold this. If it does not hold it, she's coming back down. Either 32.70 or 30.88 to finish this head and shoulder pattern. So looking at trend lines, I mean, I know my chart is all fucked up right now. It's all fucked up. There's lines everywhere on this thing. You just draw yourself a little trend line from here. Use a ray, makes it easy. You can do that. Okay, you can mark it there. Or you can do it off a 5-minute, which is more so what I like to do. I like to mark it off a 5-minute. Gives me a little bit of cushion here. So let's see. We can go off of this little green guy. We can go off of there, whatever. I'll go off of here. Let's see here. And take that up to here. Let's adjust this. There we go. So just that. There we go. All right. So now we go back to the 1 minute. You guys can see. It gives you that little bit of flux there. So let's see how we doing. We're down a little bit. This is a very important point where it's at right now, because it just threw up a pattern that should be a down pattern. This thing avoids this pattern and moves up. That's a great sign. That is a great sign. So now on a 1 minute, you could adjust this a little closer, because it did find a little bit of footing right here, right at volume weighted average price. Just do it like that, nice and easy. Let's see what it does. It breaks this line. She's coming back down. Currently, she did a little 1 minute double bottom here. Oh man, Jay, why do you fuck around so much? Because I can. Because I can. All right, let's see. Let's leave this one alone for a second. I'm gonna go to look at this YXT. All right, YXT possibly doing an inverted head and shoulder pattern. Shoulder, head, shoulder. Let's see if she wants to get up to that 1347. That's $4 from where it's at right now. Also, hit freaking every target on the way up. This is the last one we have here. What else is moving? RITR took a little break, came back down to 24. Now it's having trouble with 25 again. VNRX says Psycho Mark. What's up, Psycho Mark? In the name of VWAP, the candle and the holy stupid volume, amen. No, I would say, I'd say something more like, for the love of Wolf of Wall Street, and the revolving volume, and the, oh yeah, there's VNRX pushing $1. All right, so it looks like what I said on DBGI is starting to come to fruition. It is going down. It's at $36 right now on DBGI. I'm probably going to hold that into open and see what happens, see where it goes from there. So this one here, she's trying. 95, 96 right now, breaks $1. Where is VNRX going to go? Let's see, VNRX, where are you going? The volumes, it's not bad. 10 million, it's done. Free float is not bad. 10 million, 3.93 million on the volume. Its average is 309. It's already hit 104, 105. Where could it go after that? Oh, there's a good spot right there, 118, so 117 roughly. So there's a target 1 there. 117, it can do that. Then you got, it's not gonna be one of them crazy ones, because the volume is not yet there. Maybe 147 after that, maybe the volume's got to pick up right now, because I mean it's doing okay. It's 4 million, so that's not bad, but it's got to go a little harder. All right, so we got 2 targets on there for you. It needs to move faster. Is there a gap on this thing? Sure is. There's a gap at 206. So I'm going to put that up there just to remind us that there is a gap up there on VNRX. There you go. You got VNRX all lined out for you. Big break is going to be that $1. If you can get through that $1, more than likely you'll get 117. But it has to break it with strong volume. All right. It has to break it with strong volume. If it doesn't do that, then she gone. There's DBGI, $36. How's that treating me? Down $5 on 2 shares, so I'm down $2 and $2.50 so far. Oh, it's fun. It's fun. $6. I'm down $3. So like I said, she's doing a pullback, right? That inverted head and shoulder pattern didn't really work out. It didn't really work out. There's your shoulder, there's your head, there's your other shoulder. Came back up, bumped its head on 38, came back down, so you got double bottom here. So now we're just waiting for it to break that 38. If it breaks that 38, it'll break 39. The way it's bumping around. If it can break this 38, this line, 38, what is this? 38.65, pretty much where I'm at. Just got to break through that. All right, so my day trade analyzer here. Look at this. Here it is. So this is my day trade analyzer on my website. I'll make it smaller so you guys can see it. So I've typed in DBGI right there. DBGI. All right, it is in beta. It's beta. It's been in beta for a minute. I'm still testing, guys. I'm still testing it. There's DBGI, opening range 36. That's where it's at right now. DBGI, it got a good score. Got 91 out of 100 here. It says entries about 35.91, 36, and targets 65. All right, setup conditions, live price loaded. I did all that because that's the only way you can do it right now. You got to put it in there. Let's see, tape quality A-, volume B-, risk A-, review of strategic alternatives to maximize shareholder value August 3rd. They put that out there. They have an 8K they put out on the 27th of July. All right, and this will give you some information here. So look at that. Not bad. It's Jrockstocks.com. That's my website. If you haven't been there, and I'd suggest you go there. It's how you can be a part of the community. Like I said, currently we are at $49.99 for full access. Okay, you have reviews down here if you want to learn. If you guys have been with me and you haven't written a review yet, then I'd be very thankful if you do. Or send a video review. This is me talking about what Jrockstocks is and what it isn't. Okay, so if you're curious, just go there, watch that video. Helpful links if you're looking for a good broker. I use Webull. That person at my front door. What? Hang on. Yeah, fucking cat. There's a cat at the front door. That's hilarious. Okay, anyways. So yeah, you go through here. You got Webull right here. You click that. You get free shit. I get free shit. Works out. DBGI just dropped to 35.71. It's getting ready for market open. I can tell you that. I've got a few shares I can buy if I want to average down, which I don't ever recommend, especially for newbies. Averaging down is not a good thing. Nice, Doug. $26 there. Night Owl 16, beautiful. Dreamweaver 13, beautiful. Doug Funny another $34 off DBGI, and Night Owl $20 off DBGI. Fucking fire. Good job, guys. Good job. Hell yeah. I love it. I love seeing it. I put a pains and gains spot on my Discord for one reason only, for accountability. That's very important to me. Anyways, so yeah, you go through here. Wow, I'm down $5. This thing just dunked. Look at that. And I'm not, I'm not scared. I'm not scared. I'm still in it. Again, I'm fucking around, so I'm finding out, right? That's just how it is. All right, so charting, trading view, screen, FinViz, and newsfilter.io. Free stuff, right? Free stuff. Only thing that's not free, Seeking Alpha. Use that for more like swing trades, that kind of thing. This right here, the official NASDAQ reg show threshold list for checking securities that have landed on the threshold list and need extra scrutiny around sentiment and supply issues. This one, reg show. Click there, you'll see it. It's free, everything's free. Dilution is free. Dilution tracker, great site for lots of information. And these are all things that I use as well. So I wouldn't put them up there if I didn't use them. All right, Learning Center. It's a great idea to go to. This is all free. You get in there. The Learning Center is free. Helpful Links is free. But yeah, again, check it out. Learning Center. Great place to start. Rules. Gotta learn the rules, guys. If you're if you're struggling, more than likely you're breaking the rules. If you're struggling with trading. All right, I'm gonna get out of here real quick. There we go. All right, so we're at 33, 32. What did I tell you? Head and shoulders pattern. Fucking big old shoulder. Because it tried to fake out right here. So this one, and then this one here. So next stop on this is gonna be 30 bucks. Currently I'm down $11 on it. I'm okay with that. I'm all right with that. I'm curious to see what happens at market open. And again, if this thing should happen to drop back down here, maybe I'll average. Maybe. But broke that. We saw it break that. That should have been the first sign that this thing's breaking down. VWAP broke down right here. Should have been another sign. You can see these are getting lower and lower and lower. So now it's doing lower highs and lower lows and then breakdown. Allergies got me. You guys hear it? So my $2, I'm down $14, which means I'm down $7 a share. Yeah. And again, you trade your way. You trade the way that you want to. Don't do what I do. And you'll be all right. I fuck around a lot. All right. And let's see. INLF is blowing up. INLF is blowing up. Look at that. Boom, boom, boom. Targets acquired. Look at the watch list, guys. Everybody that's on my watch list, look at the watch list right now. Well, we have just acquired all of our targets on the watch list. Last one we have is our extended target. Fuck yeah. Look at that. Look at that. We just did that. Yep. Target acquired on INLF. You guys, if you were on the watch list, you had plenty of opportunity to get in that at 375, 390. There we go. There we go. And extended target acquired on INLF. Boom, shakalaka. Oh, look at her go. Look at her go. Wow. Wow, we're rocking and rolling here. If you're on the watch list and you can verify that I posted that shit and it just hit all targets starting at 375 entry all the way up to $6.25 being the beginning of the extended target. Throw some fireballs in the chat if you can verify that. Let's give some proof to the people. And see, that's why two down is gonna get muted right now because he's just a jackass. I'm just kidding. He's cat shit. That's what he is. Oh god, he gave himself that damn fucking nickname. I called him Snorlax because he fell asleep on one of the lives. He was sitting there snoring. So fucking, oh my god, he's like my little brother. Look at that. Look at two down, fire. Doug Funny, fire. Who else wants to throw up some fireballs? You know what? You know what I'll do? Let's see. It's too far down. That would give away the The other 2 tickers, 3 tickers. That's 4 down. My bad. If I show the top one and the bottom, nah, fuck it. Fuck it. It is what it is. All right, guys, hit the like, the follow, and the share. Well, we're 21 minutes away from market open. I am down. Currently, I'm down on DBGI. I am down $13 on DBGI right now. Son of a biscuit. Not too shabby. I'm not giving out more targets on INLF. I'm not doing it. Especially not on the live right now. That's not how I work. You got people asking me all the time, like, "Hey man, what stocks are you watching? What stocks are gonna, do something?" I'm sorry. I respect my community. I respect my group, and I wouldn't do that to them. Let's go, baby. Come on. All right, DBGI just hit $31. Breaks 30. Oof. She's coming down. I think this is all just before market open. That's my thought process there. Currently, I'm down $15 on DBGI. Let's see what else is moving. Bigger float stock. Sorry, I'm just looking at some stuff here. All right, that one hit 2 targets right there. Can't say which one. You guys know if you're watching the watch list. So currently, checking to see how many stocks hit off the watch list. And so far, I've got 1, 2, 3 that have hit. And check these other ones here real quick. Oh, look at that! All targets acquired on all of them. I'm gonna put it in the Discord, in the social chat. I'm gonna put where I think INLF could be going here. Freaking beautiful. God, see that's the kind of shit that gets me so darn excited. Is when the watch list hits every target. Oh wow, DBGI. DBGI is at $29. I'm down $10. $10 a share. I have 2 shares. Oh fuck. That's why I say don't fuck around. I'm telling you guys. You fuck around, you find out. I'm still not upset. Down to $28 now. $28.81. I'm in at $38.65 on DBGI. Yep. Hey, that move that I made on DBGI was literally just fuck around, find out. That's all that was. So I'm waiting to see. I posted where I think INLF is going to go in the Discord. If you're part of the Discord, great. If you're not, go to jrockstocks.com and become part of the Discord. And just so you guys know, I am also on the tube there, doing a simultaneous live. So if you prefer to watch it on the tube on your TV, and that is great. You can watch it there. let's test which one's faster right now. So I'm going to say a number, and we're going to see which one of you go ahead and respond with the correct number. Just put ready in the chat if you're ready, and I'll go ahead and say the number, and we'll see what you guys come up with here. All right, ready. All right, 7. Who's faster? Let's see. Oh, YouTube. YouTube's way faster. Way faster. Wow, that was quick. Holy crapola. You want to try it one more time? Wow, 27.50. Woo! 27.33 DBGI. I might have just thrown money away the way it's going. I wasn't ready. Okay. All right, you guys ready? You guys ready? Night Owl said go. Doug says I wasn't ready. All right, I'm gonna do it. All right, I'm gonna count down. I'm gonna do a countdown, and then I'm gonna say a number, and we'll see who puts it up there first. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1, 6. Oh, you guys, that goes to TikTok. TikTok got it. TikTok got that one by literally, it was like split second. But I saw that chat move faster than that chat, and it was literally like boom, boom. It was so fast. Good job, guys. Good job. 2 down. I'm fast. And that's what your girl says. I'm just kidding. Jimmy John fast. Oh, I love Jimmy John's. Jimmy John's. You're something. I know, right? I know. He is something. Never. LOL. All right. Yeah, never? Yeah, I don't know. Aw, what's up, boo-boo? Hey, puppy. Hey, boo-boo. And I love when she runs over. She's so excited to see me every morning. Oh, man. Down $10 a share on DBGI. We're looking at INLF kicking ass. Doing a great job. Stair-stepping up. 1 step, 2 step. We'll see what market open brings, guys. It's right there. It's right there. We're 13 minutes away from market open. Now, for people that are on the tube and people that are on TikTok, you guys know I rarely do this where I stay on the live on TikTok. Usually at 5 o'clock, I move over to the Discord. But I stayed on because I am extremely tired and I just did not feel like messing with my computer. So there you go. Frickin' hell yeah. Blue Max teed off on INLF. Well done, sir. Well done. Community's growing slowly. And that's, I like it growing slowly. I'm not, and Blue Max teed off on YXT. Beautiful. Awesome. Good job, Blue Max. That's what I'm talking about. And the cool thing about my community is, I'm very open, very clear with my people. Wow, what am I down? Shit. I'm down over $2. $2 a share. Down $8. Down $8 a share right now. All right, it's getting better. We're at 30 on DBGI. Yep. Oh, and INLF did a double top right here. It's probably going to come back down to about 616, right around there. 616. We'll see what market open does to her, but I'd keep an eye on that volume weighted average price. It's very tricky stock. Don't get fooled the first 15 minutes of trading. Oh, wow, look at that. Cat shit just posted. Nice, man. INLF made money on it. Good job. Fuck yeah. What else is over here? DBGI made money on it. Good job. What else we got here? YXT, made money on it. Awesome. Fuck yeah. What do we got? 21 DFNS. Beautiful. Good job. And we got friggin' AMIX. Man, cat shit teed off on that. Good job. Good job, 2 down. Thanks for being accountable and posting in pains and gains on the Discord. That's all we want. We want accountability. That's what we want. We don't want somebody saying, "Oh yeah, you know, I just made fucking $400,000 on this stock." Nah. No. That's not what we're after. We're after the people that want to be accountable, that want to, you know, work for a bigger thing than just to say, "Hey, yeah, guess what, guys? I made a lot of money." No, it's not that. I don't care about that. I care about you showing up and being responsible for you're pushing the button. When I post my in pains and gains, I post the whole picture, where I got in, where I got out. Remember that guy on Discord who posted his paper trade money? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. That made me really reconsider the whole Discord idea. Yep. Yep, that made me reconsider the whole Discord idea. It scared the crap out of me because I was like, you know what, this looks like a bunch of liars. I don't like that, you know? And it was just one liar. And then there was another guy that was a little weird. Both of them got kicked out. Yep, kicked out of the community. Their subscription canceled, all that fun shit. All right, RITR broke 25 again. It's at 29 right now. Again, we're getting closer to that market open, so I would just chill out. What's up, Elias? It's been a while. It's been a while, Elias. Where you been? Where you been? Oh, man. All right. So again, thank you guys for hanging out with me this morning. I'm glad we were able to catch some good runners. I don't know where Cree is. Hope she's doing all right. Cree is non-existent today. He's probably chasing all those kiddos around. You know, sometimes I'll do this where I just stay here on TikTok and YouTube and just kind of hang out. Wow, I am down. Whoo, sheesh. I'm down 11, almost 11 bucks on DBGI. It's down to 27. Look at this. Oh, I don't have to. I can just click it. There you go. DBGI. See, I should have followed my rules there. Luckily, I've only got 2 shares in it, so no big deal. No big deal. This thing drops back down to 24 bucks. I mean, I could always average down. I mean, that's as low as it gets. So, and 2 shares isn't that much. So, again, I'm having fun. I'm having a good time. I hope you guys are. And you know, I do this shit every morning. So we gotta do something to make it entertaining and fun. And I mean, watching charts. If you're not in a analysis like I am, like analyzing the patterns and looking at the chart. So right now, look, you've got a perfect. So it broke that trend line, right? We'll get rid of that shit. Now, and technically, if you spread this up like that, you can see all the support and resistance. Well, right now, you've got support right there at 26. And that's a pretty major support at 26, because you see this doji right here. Sorry, not doji. This hammer candle right here. You got your confirmation right here. Boom. And after that, it just exploded. It came off of this downtrend. Usually off of a downtrend, you catch a hammer. Even this candle looks very good. And it pushed up hard back to 43 bucks. And that was, isn't that the best part about this for me, for watching the charts and learning where things go? And you have nowhere to go. Like, you look at the chart, you look in the back, you look in the past. Here's a 4-hour chart. Here's a 4-hour chart. Look where it ended. You got nothing else. Like, as far back as you can go, it goes to $9. It's never been this high. It's never hit $51. There's a 1050 right there. There's 2372. That's a solid area right there. Solid area of resistance. 2372. Look at this. Just keep going. Just keep going, mijo. There's 2332. Look, solid area of resistance. We marked it. 1818. And then today just freaking blew up. Went up. Woo! Look at it go. Right after a split. This was a split right here, a reverse split. And this typically happens. This typically happens. Right here. So you get a reverse split. Okay, then you get some news, and then they dilute the shit out of it. This news, on the other hand, this is the only tricky part here. How true is that acquisition news? To acquire this stock at 70, what was it, $77, $75? Something like that. Let's take a look at the news. What was it? $77.58. That was the news. To acquire this stock at $77.58 per share from current shareholder. Board to review proposal, no decision taken yet. You know, in all honesty, that is a beautiful deal considering the stock was, I don't know, 54 cents just the other day. 2 down. I don't gotta look at INLF. I already know. Guys, hit the like, the follow, the share. Let's go. We got 4 minutes till market open. If you made money on this live stream and it's over $50, great idea would be to go and sign up for the community. Try it out for a month. See what you think. Great idea. I have great ideas sometimes. Oh, did you have some food? Are you excited? Are you good? You gonna go take another little nap? Huh? Go, girl. All right, let's go. Man, oh man. All right, DBGI coming back up, $31. All right, let's see. Nice little double bottom here off of that 26.98, so $27. That's where it found support. Now its resistance is going to be this 35.19. That's where I think it can go because that's where the volume weighted average price is. So we'll see. Market open's going to be interesting on this one. That's for sure. I'm excited to see it. Hope you guys had a good time. Hope you guys had a good time. For a Wednesday, this has been a fun, interesting Wednesday as opposed to some of them that we've had that just boring as shit. We sit there scratching our head going, why isn't anything moving? What is going on here? We got TATT, another big one there. Let's see. I'm looking for stuff that could make a difference here at market open. DFNS hit that $65. Now it's down at 56. That thing has just been it's ran for a week. Should find a way to get TikTokers on the YouTube. Wish this YouTube community would grow on YouTube. You know what? Maybe I'll do this. Maybe to grow the community on the YouTube. Maybe I'll say I'm just doing a YouTube live for a week. How about that? I think that would work, right? We could grow that community a little bit more. That's true. I agree with you, Tan Master. I agree with you. I want YouTube to grow too. I mean, we're growing on both sides, slowly but surely. What is the What is the community on Jrockstocks? How many we got now? Let's see. Market opens in 1 minute, guys. How about you? But I'm excited. So right now, we're at 790 subscribers on the YouTube. 790. We have 3 people watching the live right now. All right, market's open. Well, let's see what happens to my 2 shares. This thing's gonna be a halter. 557,000 shares on the float. It's gonna be a halter. Could be an interesting day. I think it. I'm a little scared. Nah, it's only 2 shares. If it drops down to nothing, I only lose like what, $60, $70, I think. What was I? What am I in at? 38. Yeah. Okay, so I lose $76. I think I could cope with a loss of $76. Did this thing halt and I don't know it? What's going on here? All right, let's see. How is INLF doing? Let's take a look at INLF. Where'd she go on my list? There's INLF. Halted up. Oh, halted down? Halted down. 640, hit 806. Beautiful. Beautiful. We're almost to that target. We'll see what it does all day. I mean, it's also a low float, high volume stock. We'll see where she wants to go. Hopefully you guys had a good time, made some money. And I appreciate you guys. I'm going to get off. I got shit I got to do. They're long days for me right now. So I wake up groggy as shit. And then get on the live here. And then at around this time, I start getting myself ready to go to my uncle's house. Because when I come back from my uncle's house, I eat a little something. I crash on the couch and tell my wife, hey, let's watch a show with the kid. And like 2 minutes into the show, I'm dead asleep. So unless one of you guys messages me and says, hey, can you take a look at this stock? And then I wake up. It happens every time. It does. It really does. My uncle last night, I don't know if he was being funny or what, but I was already passing out. It was 8 o'clock. Already passing out. My uncle texted me, hey, you forgot to put waters out for the gardener. I took care of it. That's what he said. I'm like, you couldn't have waited till tomorrow morning to tell me that I forgot to put waters out? Like, fuck. Oh man, frustrating as shit. And then he had an excuse for it. He's all, well, I just wanted to know if there was something wrong or like, you know, something I should know about. What's the reason? I'm like, the reason is your front yard's all torn up because of the main breaking. So I didn't think the gardener was coming. That was the reason. Fucking, oh god. All right, guys. Well, I'm gonna go because I could literally keep talking the whole day. Thanks, Standmaster. Have a good day. I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for the profit. Yeah, go enjoy your money. Go have a good day. Enjoy it. All right, guys. Have a great day. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace. Take your profits on the way up. Don't forget. Peace. Later.